Abusia say share be more smart Ghana update so owura ni Lante Vanderpool wono mrahye bedwane ewugina ma ndisi amanyoku ewo dododi odu abato ebesu aso no wakasa finance nsem bi ekoso amanfo bi eche se ndisi party ndisi say de kame aye say wantwi na mente me ho ase na je se party ne de entity yankasa aba no so enya no kweda na say ne party bia etobre bi ebufu beba ebufu ama enye ne emanyina na anya asem bia na mokom na hyebedwafia na asenya asem bia ene ba party mani nyina beka so yefo aso ye den a obi ebeka sa aha memomu die nka mo de fa hase yanka beboaye eno ntinya de e wo so mo de kasa division e de ba NDC party no emu me se mechi makwa eche bebre yenko ne nkoti owura ni Lante Vanderpool ye ba amene na eje ye beto aso
ade ba kompeda manfo nyina hu de appointment committee no enye ultimate appointment committee it is just like any other committee of parliament. All you need to be here, or the parliament, no, or plenary, no. And the whole plenary, no, I check it myself. And the appointment committee, no, and the final decision making body of the Parliament of Ghana. We are just a committee of the assembly of the parliament. The we are not parliament now because access. We access we are now what about another we reach consensus another we reject the corner. No a parliament now any appointed committee on the NDC human institution until more cordon. At the same time, we may be a ya joining Cobham Club. We look at the day, we look at that too. That is how democratic the NDC is. You join to me all the time. A bit to maybe no. Obi na joining. Yeah, Supreme Court na they be about unanimous decision. About unanimous decision. Yeah, human institution with different levels of understanding and appreciation of things. Until be no. Next will be there. Say, next will be one and a different form. Next, will also one. Edu maybe no be a dongo say no the NDC confusion is man na the business yeah against for the work no now MP before also one differences in opinion so do maybe I also working even in parliament because when you decisive on the same issue unless it is something that borders on their interest as a government they have people in line. And maybe not say ya joining kokura not there on a particular issue no no ya join ho ama yanti ya did the robots no ya exercise ya join on different levels unless there asem chrono party for the one jima ya there for the 3-line whip the party nankasa na leadership and bibia say and nobody come. But if there is no whipping, will be a size not doing there. I don't expect it no, they're doing the cocoa. Yes.
But it looks like the approval of Raken Ofreata has really brought a lot of things to bear. For example, after Ora Samuel Okudjota Black released a statement there, were resigned from the appointment committee. Right. I
believe in the party. I believe in objectives and the programs or the vision of the party. I don't have any problem with Samuel Okudjota deciding say or no, I resign from appointment committee. Inter one no resign on Kaima or in Maybe okay, my union, yanka na we are resolve them problem. But on kind my for now no I mean to guess DBA but we feel there so far na appointment committee ya juma as a team. Ya juma as a group. Na so far no bet na kade enye bibi enye juma easy no. Enye ni nyina na also amanfo wanyi. But as a group, we feel there. We are all learning. Na, it baby, a day, more best amount for any, every store. on someone for any. But in all things,
on some of the decisions, one rich consensus, because if you listen to the tone of the letter now, it looks like
even at a criminal committee level, on every nominee, most of the time we all have different opinions in assessing the person. For example, I mean, me feel there, be there. How comes in doesn't deserve to be a minister. I will not change my mind about that. It matter. You deliver floor, and the whole parliament is listening.
Not the Oroku to any decision has nothing to do with BB Awan Koye.
No, because I mean, also in also a personal. It's also a personal that this so only yes to who are any can make a day. Meaning, I know you know. Not some woman.
I was for Rani Lante Vanda Poiwano, and I am a shibby Jenny with Jinema and this Amanoku. I wore a year would do about to best your so and I get in career. So the Akamuno, yet the barber someone almost went to comment about me, Eddie Ajua, a champoma. Nanaji,
hello, dear.
Thank God it's Friday. You do fear that say the any Baba Lajino.
Yes, Sadiq, and then Sadiq.
Nice, I say you take a car.
Yeah. Just say.
Yes, and I am man almost smart, son. Almost friend also, a champion for Ubre, mammy.
I'm someone Takran Casa.
Say,
my yes, show some Casa.
Omacapa, Naji, Omacapa.
Come and shut down your sex, Biasa.
Yo, and a young Quayasa was swear, a Yakasa, a New Lante.
Ni Lante Vanda Poy. I know now. Oman Peneku Fado, Emma Ira, ni Banaman Sasua. Man swan motoma mea montoma ni Lante Vanda Poy to hen and that man can you cry
it is a say okuje to Vanda Poy
so
yes I say
we ni Lante Vanda Poy na we ni Banaman you know say e di me ni nanti Opeja and so I my mistake.
Yeah, so I say eno na to amanfo timom kotoma ura ni
so what okay do ankasa seat na swing bronika say swing ara mi sa seat no ade a
enye ba particular party da
na ko formula na wo MPP nsem na ba NDC nsem sa swing and shadan nye stable say sa seat we dey but when say this for the more a chain MPP for and then ya dey back you be yeah ora Neil Lante Vanda Poy, one of the former youth and sports minister and play a lot of role NDC though he's one respectable man. He doesn't talk too much but will be a Odi Nintin Power NDC Economy. Those are one tanti DBB. I battle Ukraine 2020 election quite chain due to some misunderstanding. Be also the do here one flashy areas when it comes to votings. Ntiano so ya dia am say one true ba me eche no kra but am say jano the day na. Ntinasa na o kan there anwan de nanso mpanin say so yem yo ya no amfe osia obi hu mobo obi a nani amanyosam hu bia chi bia na nim say all is not well with NDC. In as much as every human institution bia there will be some sort of misunderstanding or disagreement and all that can be there. Once a human institution there, some of these things are predictable when just a idea between so what I say. Nemum say bros so there say problem no escalate dia na say you can answer because you name say where say there amount for to abobaba park so e bi so mampani en kotranchen the former flag bearer no on kotranchen ma obi fufromra ebi so omo meya accountability omo court no nsamba nsi ye ebi so leadership no weak you know party bia wonchu but when some of these things comes out continuously
baby
bra there's a cost to worry it occurs all the esininya dibia ehu di ehu but ka would have been happy so baka so you akwan so ede na egu akwa ma solve misunderstanding bia but to say ebisi ba bia za MPP
normal so say MPP party no enti ma say de bia emu ye kam
And I say
baby I went to
medical ka say every human
amount for say any MPP party no division na say woman na Ghana for two on any isi one.
And I make say MPP party no say division wo mukura na so far and as at now nobody has brought anything from the party asking the leadership say and telling the leadership say a week.
But say be obi so make say omo break date say ehun onsem.
But who wants man? Nobody is complaining. Nobody is complaining about say we see Adena here can break the 8. Yeah, media for other people are party say it's too early. It's early day yet. I mean, early days so we better start a campaign. And then another issue.
Okay.
Another issue it will break party. Issue say party be careful because party no ewa be onye ndi afikura anti this advice and among for day ma and obi mo sichromaji including myself may say it's early day yet for any introduction of candidates so at I say they are not there trouble but when group of people from the party is asking the former leader of the party no he's still a leader but former flag bearer of the party to step aside for somebody to come. Maybe you say, I'm from pink sheet. These are flashy issues open into some over to their quality. And so because all is not well in NDC, Nipa Krodika, because some of your custom and someone a yendi kasam was a beer, your custom and a Koswa Koso.
And in some red Nilan to a kind of some I will tell you Munsem.
Uncle, a bayable toy some better so because beer. And send be a PP biani gusua ye dim komo kokom nti akoma abotoye mu ahya se ereben but to say what you experiencing now no normal and there is not normal. It's not normal for a group of people to call a leadership say a week. It's not normal for a group of people to say even communication director Samijam Fikra na manfo bi blaster no. It's not normal say because a candidate Mahama nyina nchen. It's not these are not normal things.
Okay.
And someone say man hwe anka ne ya e betumi create a lot of problems am party no. It is okay say we mu normal there na menim asem kura obehu no abnormal. So what I say because some when enema normal these are abnormal things I need immediate resolution immediate attention and between their address situation every home.
Okay. Ora okujo to abraka yi na enemy see fa vetting committee no mo issues so. Ofri mu na amanfo bi say ni ura ken na mo approve ni ntina wa free mu. But papa say wanyini because wa ankyerɛkyerɛ ni nsɛm ni reason ti a wo de free mu.
Ebenisi de wadwane no ono ni baabi a wote. Okujo to ablakwa or your friend say no or resign no. Officially he hasn't stated the reason why I resign yet. You can't say personal and personal matters should be respected as such. Do not say a personal idea Chamauntunka whom am I say you be point you who's room. But that day I know be waiting come out to room. That day I know close pass be waiting come out to room. But so almost close pass be 8 to a board about tia bekase. Again we sooner okuye to ablakwa I resign from the party there and in Nanka it will be something that we can all talk about. We can all talk about it and then analyze it and see if it's really the reason there. But Southbury was a personal. To a personal there, I think say Neil and Vanderpool on that side there or you're right. So because obi enim nintia even so nim kura na onka because officially nipa na or resign ma bonten I say a personal so nim kura even if
it because say a personal it is say amanfo e dey etage owura kan issue no di etale wo se chinchina chia beti say enunti na man resign
so he ekwan a resignation fa asobae kwan a resignation fa asobae ndia obi o political active bia no and our political activist be because enuntia but obi so because added na party near to agina na one person best single no ho out say media for so nti sadia and ma resign free inim so at say nti is once or say a person yin to me point too much ho mu nkasa ɛyɛ ntia ebia coincidental ebia ne kokohia ebia resignation no ne kind of ata
issue no
koshia na ebia no necessary se bia eno ntina wa resign ti so Nilan take us a man ya
one ne ya joke na je we yentna so nche ye sorry su nti kakra we bi twa to
kakra me kan say NDC as a party me there I love if a party is at opposition I love a party opposition I love to see it being active and vibrant to keep the government on its toes so at yes because never be hormone say opposition party the week ema the party in governance no it take advantage because say party nka say week do the baby an go for ebe support what I say it is a party yes stronger united no unity ni adwuma and omutumi a fight common goal which is to keep the government on its toes it be the me so say leadership no council of elders all party no omomoden so be solve problem bi ho asem bi no e ba de second twitwa e de anu ya na e de beka nobody should also deceive his or herself say all is well in the party all is not well in the party but penifo no trance no mo solve situation amicably so that obia owo abushu bia ono kukubia no or voice it vomit it out near ina ya hene ya settle bibia kama
okay
nti memfa nchia so nkoma mesoa me chia na chana no first school finance that na won chia me mesoa afia pokua antimod so wa me chia pa I love you so much nyamisha
amen ebuzi afa munsia ye be say share leader adwocha ma ya ma episode comment me ba no asa subscribe no wa share so am obi a onya bi hwe no so enya bi ahwe ye de mo asi ye be say share